So on Linux, if you have a live ISO with an installer, you don't necessarily have to use the one provided to you, especially if it isn't Calamares. So now this is the KDE Live ISO for Fedora, so I'm gonna show you the default installer. It's not Calamares, but it's the Fedora installer. It'll take a second to show up. So there it is, the default installer, but we are not going to be using it today. We are going to be using a different installer. So, yes, we want to quit. And we want to go to the console, or if you have the GNOME Live ISO, just look for the GNOME terminal or whatever Live ISO you have. You don't necessarily need to be on Fedora. You could be on Ubuntu or any distro that doesn't use Calamares. You just have to know its package manager. So for Fedora, it's actually DNF because Fedora is based on RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So it's sudo DNF install Calamares. On Gentoo, you're going to have to compile it from source with emerge. But on Ubuntu, it's going to be apt, swapd on Clear Linux. On Arch, it's going to be pacman, but instead of install, you type in -s, capital S. But I'm not sure what the package manager for Void Linux is, but I think you guys in the Void crowd already know what it is. But anyways, if it doesn't come with the Calamares by default, just sudo DNF or whatever your package manager is, and then install or -s, depending on your package manager, and then Calamares. So let it do its thing. This is the console, but you can pull up any terminal you like on your Live ISO. So DNF is actually pretty slow compared to other package managers, so I'll be back. By the way, for OpenSUSE or OpenSUSE or SUSE, because OpenSUSE is based on SUSE, you use a zipper to install Calamares, if it doesn't have that. So this isn't part of the video, but I'm just putting NeoFetch here for fun because I installed it. Seriously? Oh, there we go. So yeah, here, this is our NeoFetch output, sorry. But anyways, we're going to get back to the video. We should launch our start menu, this is our start menu. And you could type in Calamares or install. There's actually two options, so you can install the system with Calamares if you want. By the way, you don't necessarily need Fedora for this. I was just using it because it is the system that I have on me at the moment. So yeah, this is Fedora Calamares installer. Yep, and this is, everything. Yep, this is actual Calamares, but I'm not going to be doing anything just yet. So that is all for now, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.